Most people see the blur. I see the physics. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's get to work.
Welcome to Full Court Tennis, Vision to Reality. I'm Brian Teacher, Australian Open champ, longtime coach and founder of the Full Court Tennis app and website. When you look at Novak Djokovic today, you see the greatest mental giant in the history of sports. But people make a massive mistake. They think he was born that way. He wasn't. He had to completely re-engineer his reality. During the 1999 bombings in Serbia, a young Djokovic practiced in a drained Olympic swimming pool. The concrete walls provided a literal layer of protection from the bombs. There was no heat. They played in freezing temperatures, wearing multiple layers. He built what he calls his wolf energy right there. The realization that when you start with absolutely nothing, you have nothing to lose. He didn't avoid his adversity. He used it to construct a bulletproof foundation. Today, we're going to use Djokovic as the ultimate case study. We'll look at his physical blocks, his technical breakdowns, and how he redefined what it means to choke. Early in his pro career, Djokovic hit a wall. In the mid-2000s, he was notorious for mid-match collapses. The media, the fans, and even rivals like Federer and Roddick mocked him for taking medical timeouts when the heat was on. The world labeled him a choker. They said he was mentally weak, but it wasn't a mental block at all. It was a physical one. In 2010, after years of struggling, a doctor identified that Djokovic wasn't just anxious or out of shape. He had a severe gluten and dairy intolerance. His body was literally shutting down under stress. He changed his diet, and within 12 months, he put together the greatest individual season in tennis history in 2011. Here is the lesson for every club player and junior. What you think is a mental choke under pressure is almost always a physical or technical breakdown. You cannot fix a physical engine problem with sports psychology. You have to face the facts and fix the engine first. Let's talk about the Todd Martin serving crisis, because fixing the body wasn't enough. He had to fix the technique. And this is where his true confidence was built. In late 2009 and 2010, Djokovic brought in Todd Martin to fix his serve. The experiment was a disaster. The new motion was disjointed. His double fault count skyrocketed, and he was losing matches. Most players would let their ego take over. They would blame the coach, blame the racket, or just try to muscle through it. But not Novak. He put his ego completely aside. He realized his formula was broken. He stripped his serve down to the studs, simplified his toss, and abbreviated his backswing to create a mechanically efficient, repeatable motion. Guess what? He was willing to be bad at something in the short term to become elite in the long term. As I always say, confidence is mathematical certainty. Djokovic didn't hope his serve would go in. He used technical analysis to rebuild it perfectly so he knew it would go in. Once you have the physical engine and the technical formula locked in, how do you handle the nerves? Well, old school coaching tells you to block out the pressure or don't think about choking. Djokovic does the exact opposite. He says anxiety, self-doubt, and fear are like unexpected guests showing up at your house. If you try to force them out the door, you waste all your energy fighting them. Instead, he invites them in. He lets the nerves sit in the room. He accepts them because he has done the homework, because his technique is mathematically sound. He doesn't have to panic when the nerves arrive. He just breathes, accepts the feeling, and relies on his flawless biomechanics to hit the ball. The emotion doesn't hijack his swing because his swing is bulletproof. And guess what? You don't need to be born in Serbia to build this kind of armor. You just need to drop your ego. That's exactly what the Full Court Tennis app is for. If your serve is breaking down under pressure, stop trying to think positive. Record it and upload the video, and hire one of our top coaches who will give you a personalized analysis to show you the technical flaw that your nerves are exposing. Go into the FCT Pro library, study our pro serves, pull out the essential ingredients and compare your serves to theirs side by side, and start re-engineering your game. Here is the Djokovic blueprint to re-engineer your mental game. Stop blaming your mind for what is actually a physical or technical breakdown. Drop the ego. Be willing to tear your strokes down and rebuild them with proper mechanics. Be willing to be bad today and be great tomorrow. Stop fighting your nerves, acknowledge them, and let your coordinated technique do the talking. Mental toughness is constructed, not given. Face the facts. Do the homework. Learn from your losses, and the confidence will follow. If this case study opened your eyes today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Then go download the Full Court Tennis app or sign up directly at fullcourttennis.com and get your matches analyzed by some of the best coaches in the business. I'm Brian Teacher. Let's go get it and let's get to work.